Hi guys, I'm glad you're here. Welcome back. I know I've uploaded a video about carousels before, but I realized I haven't shown you a really detailed tutorial on how to build one completely from scratch. So I wanted to upload an update. First, we need to set up our canvas. So our Instagram post is usually 1080 by 1350, but since we want to create more slides, so in my case I want to create 5 slides, I have to do a little math and multiply the width by 5. So I create a custom size of 50/400 by 30/50. So once you're in Canva, go to File, then Settings, and tap on Add Guides. Click on Custom, and since we chose 5 slides, set the columns to 5 and make everything else to 0. I always start with the frames. I grab the rectangle one and just arrange them on the canvas. And honestly, don't overthink the guidelines here too much. Once I'm happy, I lock everything, so I hit on the lock icon so I don't mess it up later. So now I search for paper stripe to find this kind of paper texture that fits the scrapbook style. I also search for Polaroids to get this huge Polaroid frame. And for vintage tape, which are actually just washi tapes, but more in a vintage kind of style. And I also added here a digital camera PNG I found on Pinterest. Upload your photos and drag them into the frames. It's way easier to place the photos first and do the little design details later. Now I want to add this cute book cover to my design. I just remove the background. For the white outline effect, I go to Edit, then on Shadows, and then I choose Outline and make the outline white and adjust the size. Then I added a paper scrap for a quote. I used one from Pinterest and I really like to use hand-drawn fonts. I found this one. It's called Biro Script. It looks so cute and super hand-drawn and realistic. To make this first photo more popping, I use a little hack. I just duplicate the image and remove the background from the first image. And then I tap on this second layer, so the background image. Go to Edit and to Blur. And I like to edit the brightness a bit. It just adds a little bit more depth to it. For text, I search for message elements. And I'm using the font Canva Sense here. Oh, and for the emojis, my favorite website is EmojiDB. You can here just write every keyword you want to use. For example, you want to have a spark or a star or a book. They have so many options. So you can copy here literally any emoji and paste it into Canva. And to finish the scrapbook look, search for white doodles or white flowers, white stars. And I also made some flower stickers, and I just found the flowers on Pinterest or on Canva Elements. And here I just added a scrapbook. You can use a photo or make your own digital in template. And then I just fill the empty spots with some wavy lines and cute drawings. I just used a pen tool for this. So when you're happy with your design, click share and then download and save this as a PNG. Now you have to create a new document with the standard size of 1080 by 1350, and then you have to go to apps and search for image splitter. Then you have to upload your long file and set the number of rows to 1 and the number of columns to 5. And then you just hit split image. And now you have 5 separate slides ready to upload. And then you just tap on add image to new pages. And then when you're happy, just hit share, then download and save it as a JPEG. And I like to increase the resolution and the quality and then hit download. And now you can upload your slides as a carousel on Instagram. And by the way, if you like this look but want to save time, I uploaded this exact template to my shop, and let me know in the comments which video I should do next. And thanks so much for watching.